Good morning, my friend. Welcome back to the channel and my home. I am so excited to kind of bring you along my day today. This is different than what I normally post, but you know what, girl? We are switching it up. My morning routine involves getting the kids ready, getting them out for school, which I don't like to share them on social media. So got them out the door, packed their lunches, got them breakfast, did all the things for them. And then for me, I like to wash my face. My hair is a mess. It's hair wash day today, which is kind of pointless because I actually get my hair done tomorrow. Anyway, the struggle is real. So, what am I saying? I took my electrolytes. So when I'm fasting, which I find I feel so freaking good when I fast. Some people hate it. Some people love it. I'm on the love train. I'd love to know where you are on the spectrum, but I feel so much better. I eat less, which surprisingly makes me feel better. It's wildly fascinating to me. Y'all, I have trial and errored this for so long, and for the first time in a long time, I slept really good again last night. I go through like peaks and valleys of my sleep. It's very weird. Still figuring that out. I don't know what's happening. Maybe going through perimenopause, but I'm too young for perimenopause, but my sister went through it really early. Anyway, I digress. So next I want to go ahead and get my workout in before I shower, make the bed, tidy up the house, and just get it all done. I have a lot of cleaning to do. I have a lot of just tidying up and stuff like that, and I wanted to take you along the journey. But if I do not get my workout in right now, I'm not gonna do it. And so there's a tip for you. Get your workout in the morning. I'm blessed that I do work from home aside from one day of the week, and then I can get my workout in. Like, it's 8:29, so 8:30, and I will shower, get ready, break my fast, and get to cleaning. So come along with me, my friend, and pick up the laundry, do the dishes, get something done with me, because your future self will thank you for it. All right, let's work out. Okay, it's 10 a.m. I am breaking my fast now. So it's been 18 hours since I ate. And I don't normally fast for 18 hours, but today it just felt good. And I usually fast longer on my shower days, because if I can get past the 8 a.m. hump where I get really hungry, then I'm fine, right? And then sometimes, like yesterday, I guess I fasted until almost noon because I was working, and then I didn't get home until afternoon. I actually had to run to the grocery store, and yeah, it is, I should say, never a good idea to go grocery shopping on an empty stomach, but your girl is learning self-restraint. With that being said, I am making my cream coffee. I usually like to break my fast. I'll sip on a cream coffee, and then I will make myself eggs, but we are just having one cream coffee right now. I'm gonna go get ready for the day. I'll probably make my eggs after that before I start cleaning. I still haven't emptied the dishwasher, which is very abnormal for me, but because I'm filming, I wanted to get it on camera. But usually I do that like as part of my early morning routine while I am making the girls their breakfast. I tend to unload the dishwasher at the same time. So I'm feeling behind, but that's okay. Again, we're learning. So let's do this, get ready, and then start cleaning. We're starting off the cleaning motivation here in the heart of the home, our kitchen, and emptying the dishwasher, getting the dishes all dried and put away. And if you're wondering who I'm talking to throughout this video, I talked to my sister for 4 hours on this day while I just tackled the mess in our whole house, and I must say it felt really good. I might have to start doing that more often. Now, if I'm being totally honest here, I have been in such a rut this year, like no motivation to do much, minimal cleaning and managing our house, not much for decluttering, like honestly, maybe a little bit depressed. I'm usually a very highly motivated person, and I just haven't felt like myself since January. I ended up taking a lot of time off of social media, and while I am getting back into like the swing of things here, honestly, I'm just not where I thought I'd be, and I'm not sure what to do here. So if you are currently listening to this and you are feeling the same, first of all, please know you are not alone. And also, I have a favor to ask you. Can you let me know in the comment section what you would like to see from me coming up in the new year and really just moving forward with my content and channel? My views are so low, my videos are not being pushed out, and everyone is just so confused as to what to expect, as well as myself. So I need you to, like, what do you want from me? Do you want me to stick to cleaning, homemaking, or like more so decluttering, how to simplify your home? Do you want my Tackle Your Mess series back, get it all done videos? Like, I'd love if you could just give me your honest feedback as well as your engagement on my videos. So likes, comments, shares, watching the ads, and watching the videos all the way through. These are all free ways for you to support me and my channel. And again, let me know what kind of videos you love to watch and what you'd like to see moving forward here. All of this engagement helps to push my videos out to the algorithm. So just know I do greatly appreciate you. I appreciate your feedback. And if you could be as specific as possible in the comments, again, I'd really, really appreciate your feedback. Now that I've got that off my chest, I'm using my favorite non-toxic multi-purpose spray from Sage. It is always linked below in the description, but I love the smell of it, the fact that there's no chemicals in it, and it works amazing in our kitchen and dining room. So I'll be sure again to have it linked down below if you are interested in it, and I highly, highly recommend it. I've been using it for years.
I just
It always feels so good to me to do a whole house clean and reset, and once that kitchen is spotless, it is easier for me to move on to the rest of the house. So let's clean the dining room and the table as if it's my full-time job, because, well, it kind of is. And you may notice the Christmas village here to the side. That is a sneak peek, as I did actually end up decorating the Christmas tree as well as the sideboard for the holidays, and I absolutely love how they turned out. I did end up putting that footage into this video, so there will be some Christmas decorating, and I did also whip out our rainbow vacuum today, as it just wouldn't be a whole house clean without her. So as you can see, I actually removed all of the decor that we had on here. My dog plays with the snow. She tries to eat it. So like, I don't know, I've kind of given up on having it look perfect. And I didn't film it either because my kids helped me with it. And you guys know I don't love showing them on social media, but we ended up putting our Christmas village here, and I think it's so cute. I'm waiting on a power bar to arrive so that I can actually get everything glowing at night. It is so special. I have some twinkle lights around some of the trees and like within the snow, and that alone looks so cute. But when we get the power bar and like all the little houses light up, I just think it looks so cute. Also, I changed our dining room chairs back to these ones, the faux leather ones, as they are just so easy to clean. So I can't go wrong with them right now. I'm terrified I'm gonna ruin the other ones, and I don't wanna ruin them yet. So that is the update on the chairs. As for the table, it is so easy to clean. It hides everything. I really love it. Like the close-up of it, you can see it looks like wood grained, and it just hides everything. I honestly, aside from crumbs, cannot tell when it is dirty. Don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but I'm calling it a good thing. And so yeah, I just love how easily it hides everything, and I love that we can host for the holidays. We actually ended up hosting on the weekend, and so that was really nice. We extended the table and it worked beautifully, and so now I know that when we are hosting around Christmas, when there will be a little bit more people here, it'll just look so good and cozy. So that's the update on the dining room decor and what's happening in here. I still don't know about this tree, what I want to do with her. I might move her, but I don't have anything to replace her, so that's why I haven't moved her yet. I just feel like it kind of clashes with the flocked, and it's like, you know, the decor's a little drunk. So anyway, probably we'll get rid of that, but not right now. We'll see. As I previously mentioned, I decided to add in all of that extra Christmas decorating that I've done into this video for all the extra motivation, and now it is time to kind of tidy up and move on to cleaning the living room here. We are just fluffing the pillows and putting everything back in its home, and then we're going to vacuum before moving upstairs. I bought these ottomans from HomeSense, and I was a little unsure at first, as I feel like it's always a big decision to bring in new furniture, even as it's as little and simple as like ottomans, but I'm actually really loving these. These ones do have the storage, which is great for a small house, but truthfully, there's nothing in them. I might store blankets in here one day, but that's kind of the update on them. I think I will be keeping them, but I would love to know what you think. Should I keep them or should I return them? Lastly, I'd love to know if you decorate your bedroom for Christmas, and if so, do you go all out or keep it minimal? I don't really decorate in here at all. I have added some simple touches over the years, but I'm just loving how minimal our bedroom is feeling. I might add in some garland or again some other simple decorations in here, but honestly, our primary is just too small to add like a Christmas tree or have tons of decor, so I'm definitely leaning more on the minimalist side of decorations in here, if any at all this year. Moving on, I couldn't vacuum as I was still FaceTiming my family, and my vacuum is really loud. So fun fact, I actually vacuumed and mopped the whole house at the end, but I edited it to look like I did it individually by room. So there's your reminder that not everything you see on the internet is true. Anyway, I digress. Due to the fact that I couldn't vacuum and I still wanted to talk to my family, I started using that magic eraser and going to town on our walls because they were so dirty. I ended up doing like half of the house off camera as I needed to charge my battery, and it felt so good to knock that off my to-do list. And now when we host later this month, our walls and our baseboards won't be super dirty. All of that to say, no one will care and no one that is coming will notice. So if you don't have time to wash your baseboards and walls, girl, give yourself some grace. It's okay. I did it for me and my husband's sake, as it's been bothering the both of us for like 6 months plus. We're not doing it just because we have company coming over. And if your company cares about that sort of thing, like, you have the wrong company. Anyway, thank you so much for cleaning along with me. I hope you got some Christmas decorating inspiration and motivation to tackle your mess with me today. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you want to see here on the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!